Hello guys, a little project here. Have this like lamp. It originally have two times 9 watt T8 LED. It's basically LED that looks like a fluorescent tube, but one of the tubes failed like one day after I was by it, and so I was not really happy with these. So what I did is I basically removed the LEDs, all the wiring, and I put some proper fluorescent tubes in. Those to be precise. Lumi looks cool white, made by Osram. Where is it? Right here. That's not really, you can't really. Come on, focus. Sorry. Doesn't really want to focus, guys. Sorry. It's the base. It's a G13. The power is 18.8 watt. 370 milliamps for the tube. 4000 Kelvin. 3 milligrams of mercury and 20,000 hours. 1300 lumens. I think this is right here. Yes. Yeah, put those in and some high quality ballasts made in Germany. Actually, I will, on the end of the video, I will put a photo of the internals. And yeah, let's now start up the tube. Typical flickering, and then starts. It uses just a normal igniter. And yeah, there's some flickering in the video. That's usually normal for fluorescent lamps. And yeah, I will probably add this to my workshop lighting. Yeah, I will now put the photo on the end. And thanks for watching. See you soon again. Bye.